Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play the piano accompaniment part to Talking to the Moon by Bruno Mars. So I'm going to go through every single section today. I'll do the odd bit of singing as well, just as like a reference point. Hello, my name is Francesca and I'm the teacher here at Bitesize Piano. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'd love to have you here learning from my piano tutorials. Please give the video a like if you enjoy it and that it's useful. I do take piano tutorial requests, so if you would like to request one from me, stick around to the end of the video with instructions on how you can do that. Here on Bitesize Piano I make all sorts of tutorials, so go have a rummage around my channel, see what else you can learn. Make sure to hit the notifications bell, and I've left a few playlists in the description below to get you started. Thank you to everyone who chooses to support Bitesize Piano on Patreon and other avenues. Let's dive in. This one's in the key of E major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of E major. So the chords are formed mostly using those notes. So look at the intro first. Here is middle C for reference. So if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano, this one is sort of more around the mid and bass region of the piano. We don't really need any of the higher notes, which is why I've not included it in the shot. So the first chord is an E major, and you're going to rock the chords, break up the chords like this. So it's an E major second inversion specifically, so it's B, E, G sharp, and then E is in the bass, or just a single E if you can't stretch octaves. So it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the intro done. That's all it's doing. Now we're into the verse, so you're going to do that again but 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to come up to a chord that makes up G sharp major dominant 7, so G sharp 7. So G sharp's in the bass. In the right hand you're going to play D sharp, F sharp, and then C, still going back and forth. 2, 3, 4. And then we've got C sharp minor, so C sharp, E, G sharp, with C sharp in the bass for 2, so 1, 2. And then you're going to come to B major, so B is in the bass, B, D sharp, F sharp in the right hand, and then A major for 4 beats, so A is in the bass, then A, C sharp and E. And you repeat that whole chord progression twice. I'll just play it through once again. Into the pre-chorus, so you're going to come down to F sharps and then F sharp minor in the right hand, so it's F sharp, A, C sharp for 4 beats, then up to the B major again for 4 beats, back to F sharp minor, just hold that B chord down. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself. we're into the chorus. Talking to the moon. So we don't have any new chords here. So the first bit is A to B to C sharp minor. Talking to the moon, trying to get to you. Okay, and then the next bit of the chorus, we've got the A to the B again. And then we've got this progression of descending chords. So you're going to play E for one beat. And then we've got D sharp over B major. C sharp minor, second inversion this time, so G sharp, C sharp, E. B major second inversion as well, so F sharp, B, D sharp, and A major second inversion as well, so E, A, C sharp. You stay on there, and back up to the B. So I'll just do all of that again. Talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too. Or am I a fool? Is it so long? Talking to the moon. Okay, so now we're into the post-chorus. So we've got these just chords that are held down. C sharp minor, B major, and F sharp major this time. So F sharp, A sharp, and C sharp. And then we're into the second verse, which you're going to play exactly the same way as the first one. I'm feeling like I'm famous. Talk of the town, they say I've gone mad. Yeah, I've gone mad. But they don't know what I know, 'cause when the sun goes down, someone's talking back. Yeah, they're talking back. And then into the pre-chorus, which is the same as the first one. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the, and then carrying on to the chorus, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too. Or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Okay, now we're into the bridge. So we got F sharp minor, then E major, F sharp minor, and then we've got a B7, which is B, F sharp and A, and do you ever hear me calling, which resolves into a B major, and then carrying on. again. So we could add some more bass into the chorus. So it's actually going. So what's going on there, when you play the C sharp minor, the left hand's going C sharp, D sharp, E, B, and then into the A. So I'll just demonstrate that on this last chorus. The outro, you're going to play the pre-chorus again, so it's C sharp minor, F sharp major, and then it ends on the first part of the verse, so back into the E major. I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away, and you just hold that G sharp 7 chord. The full chord song lyrics I've linked in the description and in the comment section below, so go and check that out if you find that useful. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you'd like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.